Welcome to second video. So in this second video of Solidity for beginners, I'm gonna cover different types of data that are available for us to utilize in Solidity, right? So data types are used to define our variables and which can store some information that we want. So obviously first one is Boolean. So we have heard Boolean, if I say it as flag. So Boolean can either take true or Boolean can take a false value. So it's like a binary, 0 for false, 1 for true. Then we have integers. So we have unsigned and signed. So we give unsigned as, and it varies from, you know, 8 bits to 256. So we can give 256 in or something like that, and we can give it a value like this. So unsigned integers will be your non-negative numbers, and if you want to store negative numbers, you can use um, something like this, right? Now next comes string is straightforward. I can say it as name, um, hello world, right? And then we have mappings. So mapping is like, think of it as like a dictionary. So you have a key and a value, so I can give it like int gives to int. I can store maybe count of letters, so I can give like count of letters 0 equal to 0, something like this I can use. Or maybe count of letter, or here if I use string, like which keeps track of, let's say, letter A, so it occurs 10 times, something like this. So we have looked at boolean, integers, string, mapping, and there is one special type of data which is available in Solidity, which is for address storing. So we just give it as address, and we can say it as um, I can call it that variable anything, like a wallet address, and it basically stores something that starts with, something that starts with 0x. It will be a number, and it takes basically 20 bytes. So this will take 20 bytes, right? But yeah, that's all for the data types, and that's all I was gonna cover for part 2. Stay tuned for next part. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram. Thanks for the support.